This is the final outcome.
Look, I bought all these little flowers.
I'm going to get Mama to taste it.
You used one of my pie shells.
No, I bought a pie shell.
Did you? I paid only 50 cents for my pie shell.
I'm glad I told the truth when I said I put a pie shell on there. If I could have lied and said I made that from scratch, girl. Here, and I taste it. Here's my mama.
This is the most prettiest pie I've ever seen. Oh, it got chicken. I can see the chicken.
Ooh.
Mmm. Very good.
Very good. Hey, y'all.
One more taste.
And cut. I'm playing. Keep going. Keep going.
One more final taste.
What you mean final? You got a whole pie. Mmm. Ooh, hot. Hot.
Very good.
Well, thank you. And cut.